This 2021 Grand Design Reflection 315 RLTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 37 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, full wall slide, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Reflection 315 RLTS is 9,297 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.